Hello, music appreciation students. This is Mrs. Brown, and in this video, I will be going over the 4.12 discussion. So first, we'll click on Content, and then we will go, it's located in Unit 4, Rock and Roll Music, and down to 4.12, Discuss Music's Influence, and we're going to select where it says Learn, and that will bring you to the discussion area. First, let's go ahead and select the lesson introduction, discuss music's influence, where we can review the topic that you will be having a discussion for. So first, you'll want to take time to read this short paragraph that will influence the discussion prompt. Okay, so once you review this right here, you will be ready to click Next and go to the discussion board. This just describes the actual discussion and the questions that you will be responding to. Okay, so this brings us to our discussion. So if we go ahead and select this discussion, we have the discussion prompt right here. So the two questions you will be responding to are, number one, do you think listening to a particular kind of music can influence people's behavior or how they think? If so, how? The second question is, has listening to music influenced your own behavior or thinking? If so, how? So please do respond to both of the questions for the discussion prompt. I would suggest that you actually select and copy the discussion questions so that you can make sure that you're responding to both. I'll show you how in just a moment. So you're going to want to write in complete sentences, beginning with a capital letter and ending each with a period. So that means we're going to say, I feel that listening to a particular kind of music can influence people's behavior or how they think. And then you're going to give specific examples of how. You're going to tell me exactly how you think that music can influence people's behavior. So we're not giving yes or no responses. We're going to give our response with specific examples. And then, has listening to music influenced your own behavior or thinking? If so, how? So once again, give specific examples of how it has or has not. So if we were to start a new thread, we would say, something like music's influence Mrs. Brown, and then I would paste my questions so that I'm making sure that I am responding to each. So under this one I would respond, and then under this one I would respond. That's my suggestion to you, to make sure that you're responding to both parts of the discussion prompt. When you're done, you'll go ahead and click Post so that it will be posted for your classmates to read and respond to, and then for me to grade. I'm going to click Cancel because I don't want to grade my own discussion. But that is what you will do to complete this discussion. I would also encourage you, if you need some guidance, to view the recording from our live lesson on September 25th. And to get to that, you will click on Course Materials, Recordings, and you will find our live lesson from September 25th, where we went over this discussion here. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out, and best of luck.